Hello everyone and welcome to this Jupitrr AI tutorial for beginners. This intuitive platform is specifically designed to empower beginners like you to effortlessly transform your raw video and audio content into engaging dynamic creations. Jupitrr AI leverages the power of intelligent automation to streamline your workflow primarily by weaving in relevant visuals, subtitles, and other captivating elements. This tutorial is your friendly guide to unlocking the potential of Jupitrr AI. We will be providing you with the foundational knowledge and practical steps to confidently begin enhancing your videos with the power of AI. Before we dive in, if you haven't signed up for Jupitrr AI just yet, you can use my code JohnCarlCarras10 for 10% off in the description down below. So let's begin. Now with Jupitrr AI, you get auto subtitles that support 58 languages, and I'm pretty sure that your language is part of this list. You also get to add your brand when you're on a paid plan when using Jupitrr AI. You can replace this and put in your own brand. Then you also have AI emojis that fit your tone, and these are automatically added to make your videos more fun and more engaging. You can also set the mood with AI background music, and there are a lot of options and genres for you to pick to add to your video and enhance its quality. Jupitrr AI has different pricing plans that will meet your different needs and budgets. Now when you go over to the pricing, you'll be able to see the different pricing options. You can toggle between monthly pricing and annual pricing. Do take note that the annual pricing will save you 40% overall. Then you have three options for payment plans. You have the starter at $10.08, and this gives you about 10 minutes of AI video and a maximum of 1 minute per video. And it also comes with a 1080 HD export. If you're interested in more, you could look at the creator plan, which comes at $13.02 when billed annually, and this provides you with a whopping 360 minutes of AI video and a max of 4 minutes per video. There are other options such as unlimited premium iStock assets, web image B-roll, studio quality export, and here, if you'd like to add your brand logo, you need to use the creator plan. Then when you're looking into more, you can choose a pro plan at $25.02, where you get to have more minutes with the AI video at 500 minutes, 10 minutes per video, and of course it comes with everything in the creator. If you have a bigger team, you could book a call with Jupitrr AI and get a personalized quote that is tailored to your needs. Two options: to continue with Google or to continue with email. If you choose the Google option, you will have this pop-up where you'll need to choose the email account you'd like to use. Then go ahead and confirm again by clicking on continue. And because you're using Jupitrr AI for the first time, you'll be coming to this page. There are 3 questions which are compulsory to answer, and this will help Jupitrr AI to customize your services around your needs. So we have the first question here: what best describes you? When you click on it, it's actually a drop down. You have consultant or coach, small business, mid-sized business, content creator, or hobbyist. If we click on hobbyist, we can go to the next question. Here you see where do you post your content. When you click on the drop down, you can see the different platforms which are popular, and you can choose multiple. We're going to choose YouTube and TikTok. Then you have the last question here: how did you hear about Jupitrr AI? Of course, if it's on YouTube, you want to choose social media, as we imagine that this is where you're watching this video from. So you can click on submit to proceed. After all these 3 questions have been answered, you can finally come over to submit and click on it. And right away, it's going to give you the opportunity to create your first video using Jupitrr AI. It says here, magic edit your talking head video. So if you have a talking head video, you'd want to click on upload video. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll be using this option. So after selecting our video, you'll need to provide a video name. We're giving our video climate as the name, and here you have language. The default is detected language. So when we click on the drop down, in case maybe you allowed it to choose the detected language and you clicked on continue and you feel maybe it's not detecting your language well, you can use the drop down and be more specific. However, Jupitrr is pretty good at selecting the right language, and we'll leave it at that. Then you can go ahead and click on continue. And there are 3 main phases in order to process your video. This usually takes about a few minutes, but it could be way faster depending on the size of your video. video. The first step is to upload your file. So Jupitrr will be uploading the file which you selected and named. And then the next option is to generate subtitles. You don't need to worry about this, as Jupitrr AI will be doing the heavy lifting for you. It will be generating accurately placed subtitles to add to your video. Then Jupitrr AI will also add visuals to your video, and this is a great feature which makes the process pretty easy and neat. So we're going to wait for a few moments for this to happen. Awesome, so we finally have our first video processed by Jupitrr AI and would like to right away play the video to listen to the result.
Let's nurture our planet, our shared home, by adopting sustainable habits, reducing waste, conserving energy, and supporting eco-friendly initiatives. Every small action makes a difference. Choose climate-conscious practices today for a better tomorrow.
Awesome, now we didn't show you how it looked like before, and we're going to be doing that right now.
Let's nurture our planet, our shared home, by adopting sustainable habits, reducing waste, conserving energy, and supporting eco-friendly initiatives. Every small action makes a difference. Choose climate-conscious practices today for a better tomorrow.
So as you can see, that was the original of the video, but now you have what we watched. Let's view it again.
Let's nurture our planet, our shared home, by adopting sustainable habits, reducing waste.
So I'm going to pause it right there, and you can see that we've been able to have added B-rolls to our video. How did this happen? Well, thanks to Jupitrr AI. Now you also notice that it has some subtitles which were added and some extra write-ups to enhance our video. We didn't add this ourselves, and this is what Jupitrr AI does for you. Now if you look to the left side panel, you can see some controls right here. We're currently on the presets, and you could choose the style of your video. This basically means that you could choose the style of your subtitles or the style that you want your videos to have. For example, this is currently on clean, and if we choose aesthetic, the second option, it's going to load up again and change the settings. Let's play it one more time.
Let's nurture our planet, our shared home.
Maybe you notice the difference in the subtitle arrangement. You can see that this subtitle has a gray or white background to the black text. Well, for the first one, it had a more colorful subtitle. So this is basically your choice. You can go through all of them to see the difference.
Let's nurture our planet.
And this also follows the text that is being read by using a blue highlight to move through each word being said. And then when we come over to the left side panel and click on video tab, you can see the 2 B-roll items that have been added. And then when you come down, you can see B-roll transition, AI emojis, hook text, initial animation, A-roll color filter, and you also have the music. Now, this over here is a hook text, and if we toggle it off, it's going to go away. If we toggle it back on, it's right back there. So these are the customization options you could add to your video. And down here, you might have heard the background sound. But if you feel that the background sound is too punchy and you need to reduce the volume, you can come over here and actually reduce it so it doesn't overwhelm the voiceover. You also have the custom watermark and the outro, which you can actually upload to enhance your video. Then you have the subtitles. Here you can edit the video by working with the subtitles, and it's pretty easy to work with. As you can see, we just deleted the every, and we'll use the Ctrl Z to undo that, and it's back right where it was. So this is important in case you feel you might need to edit the subtitles. Maybe there was something missing right there, but Jupitrr AI is pretty good at making it work for you. At this point, we're happy to say that we've been able to help you as a beginner to use Jupitrr AI to enhance your videos, speed up your workflow, and ease up the content creation process. At the top left corner, when you click on the back to library, it's going to take you to your library where you can see what you've been working on, and at the bottom left corner, it's going to show you the status of your plan, where you can of course click the upgrade button at the bottom left corner or at the top right corner in order to make an upgrade so you can have more features for your work. So you can now go ahead and use Jupitrr AI with more confidence. And if you haven't signed up just yet, you can use my code JohnCarloCorres10 for 10% off down below in the description. We hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.